Hey, it's your Auntie Annie, back with another simple, easy recipe that you can do during the week. Shouldn't take you more than completely maybe an hour. So I'm going to be making a ginger scallion chicken thighs along with sweet potato fry and some asparagus. I'm going to show you how to season it and how I go about cooking it in the air fryer. My complete dinner will be in the air fryer. So I'll be back in a few to show you what I've done. So along with the dinner, I'm going to show you a simply little dipping sauce. It's not something that's going to be with a lot of gravy. Haven't done it in the air fryer, but I always like to make a little dipping sauce when I'm doing wings or any kind of chicken that I do in there. So I'm going to do a simple one for you. I'm going to list all the ingredients, and you just put them together, mix them up, and it's great for dipping your chicken in it when you're eating. Okay, so for my Tuesday dinner, I've decided to do some debone thigh, kind of a Chinese style. I'm going to be using my air fryer, and so I'm going to show you how I'm going to season it up. I'm going to use salt and pepper as well, and dark light soy sauce, sesame oil, Chinese wine, and some chili paste. So I'm also going to use 3 cloves of garlic, about an inch of ginger grated along with the garlic, and then 3 scallions. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm just going to add some salt first. So I've just deboned it, left it in long strips like this. So I'm going to just take it out and put it, once it's seasoned, and put it in my air fryer. I'll show you how I do that process as well. So salt, a little pepper, and I'm not going to use a lot of garlic powder because I already had 3 cloves of garlic in there. So it's kind of a ginger scallion chicken. So we'll go ahead. It's one of my easy peasy dinners as well. I can do it with any kind of potato I want. If I wanted to eat with a little rice, but it takes no time at all. So in goes the scallion, the garlic, and then the ginger. Just gonna rub this in a bit. And so then, just gonna get a quick rinse in my hand, and then, so we're going to use, first I'm going to use some light soy, or regular soy. It's very salty, this one, so just maybe about a little bit, maybe a teaspoon. Then I'm going to use the dark soy, which is less salty, but it adds to the color. So I'm going to use maybe about a tablespoon of that. And Chinese cooking wine. I'm going to use about 2 tablespoons, or a tablespoon of this as well. So, you know, Auntie Annie always eyeballs it, no measurements. And for the sesame oil, I'm just going to put about a teaspoon of sesame oil. And just going to use some chili, because I like the heat, so I'm just gonna some chili oil, about a teaspoon, and of course I have to add just about a half a teaspoon of sugar. So I'm going to go ahead and rub this together, and I'm going to let it marinate for a couple hours in the fridge. And then when I'm ready to cook, I'll come back and show you how it's done. I love the smell of the sesame oil on it. It smells really nice. Okay, so we'll come back when I'm ready to cook. Okay, so Auntie Annie, I'm back. So Here's my seasoned chicken thigh. I'm gonna just do some asparagus, and I have some frozen sweet potato fries I'm gonna do with this. So all I'm doing with this is, with the asparagus, is I'm putting a little bit of garlic powder, a little bit of black pepper. Of course, I've put a little olive oil on before, and then of course put a little salt, as much as or little as you like, and then I'm going to go ahead and just stir this around. So what I'm going to do is that I'll load everything into the air fryer first. So I'm going to put in the chicken and the sweet potato fries first, and when with the last 3 minutes, 4 minutes or so, I'm going to just stick the asparagus in as well. So just give me a minute and I'll come back at you, and we'll go ahead and get this started. So I'm just going to do a quick check of this, probably give them another flip, and then we'll come back. So I've gone ahead and turned it. I'm adding an additional 3 minutes to my cooking time. I'm going to go ahead and place the asparagus on top of the chicken and let them finish the cooking process. So I'll see you when everything is done. So I've gone ahead and I have taken my potatoes out because they were done. So I'm just going to finish for the next 2 minutes and have the asparagus and the chicken finish up. Okay, so I'm done. Here's my dinner, ready to eat. Everything looks good, and I have my dipping sauce that I can use on my chicken. It's a really easy recipe. I hope you guys will try it, and hope you'll enjoy it as well. Okay, till we meet again. Bye-bye.